All right, it's Friday, September 20th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here, after buying puts at the blue line on bar number 2, it came down, paused a little bit, and then it made a secondary push to new lows here. We still have a 2 down day going. It's an interesting day to see if we really get a big failure by the end of the week here. We'll see if this ends up a shooter bar by the end. I decided to scale out, set up an overage trade. I bought the 570 puts at 492, and then I scaled out here at 550, over a half a point higher. They're at 545 right now. So we will see, what develops. We've made our 2 pushes down on the day. So is that going to be it? Or is it going to kind of continue all day long? We're filling in a gap in here. If I go to the 15-minute chart and kind of spread it out, there's a gap right in here. And maybe we're just filling that in 2 pushes, and that'll be it for the day. Or are we going to get the 2 down day that then actually goes to its target down here, and then that in effect turns the weekly chart kind of into a big shooter bar, maybe even red by the end of the day, which could lead into lower next week. Maybe we're making all-time higher highs here after the interest rate announcement. We had a little push up for a day, and maybe we're going to pull back. We'll find out a lot by the end of today how this weekly bar ends up and whether we project lower into next week. So for now, we have a 2 down day. We'll see if we kind of hit some of these levels. It's at no risk right now, and obviously the opening price action went below the pre-market lows and the first bar low to kind of set the tone for the day to the downside. So all at no risk to see what kind of negative day might unfold. If we can't hold this gap, then who knows? Maybe we're heading to making higher highs and eventual lower lows down in this area, and ending this week negative and starting next week negative. So we'll find out a lot at no risk, but it has made its 2 pushes down structure-wise so far. We're just going to watch 15-minute price action going forward.